Hi guys, it's Faith over here and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, hey, welcome to the Faithy gang, welcome to the Faithy squad. And if you're returning subby, thank you so much for returning. Welcome back to another video. So this intro is going to be a little chaotic because there's a lot going on in the background. So in this vlog we are basically going to the farm, so you guys are going to travel with me. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along and we're gonna spend some time together at the farm with my family. So yeah, I'm excited, I'm super excited. So let's go have fun, right? Yeah, so I just thought I should come in and talk to you guys and like let you guys know what's happening. I just can't, see what I mean, I just can't get up and start a vlog. Yeah, ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force. Yeah, blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Say hi. Hi. Travel with us. Say hi. Hi. Weirdo. Haley. Huh?
Say hi.
Does this car Bluetooth?
Yeah. So guys, oh, we made a pit. Oh, you guys, we made a pit stop.
And Beverly is struggling.
Beverly is struggling to Bluetooth, play music, and yeah, Uncle is loading some stuff. Yeah, Tutu decided. Tutu was supposed to stay with her mom, but she decided she's not staying, so she's going with us. Yay! Say yay! Yay! Can someone take one of his pillows, please? Yeah.
Can you wait?
It's it, guys.
Sorry.
Yo.
Oh shit.
Okay, so.
And 7 feet tell them a story. That's why blessings upon me. And that's why I'm gonna give him the top of the breed. I'm with the light. You know, some of us are ignited. Got the music, get me excited. I'm coming like a boss. Blessings all coming like one. But I'm good for the journey.
Eh? Maba? We're done, guys. We are going back to the car now. We bought snacks.
But snacks.
Yeah. So now to drive. My mom was apparently waiting for us, but we didn't see her. Did you see her? I didn't see her.
Child.
I didn't see her too. She's calling. It's Tutu's world, and we're just living in her woman. Did you guys see that? I can be you.
Oh yeah. Where are you waving?
So we are waiting for the truck.
Our mother and our father.
Yeah. They're in the truck. We're waiting for the truck.
Hey, don't get close to me.
So yeah, we're just by the police, traffic, whatever stop.
Give me.
Yeah, and we're just waiting for them, and then we're gonna go.
Hey, get into it, yeah. Get into it, yeah. Get into it.
So update. They're fixing the truck, so now we are just here waiting until the truck is fixed, and then only we can all go. So I'm getting bored and tired and hungry, and if you know me, you know I don't like waiting, so this is kind of for me. But yeah, I guess we're just gonna wait until they're able to fix the truck, and then we can go. Mama, still waiting for the truck to be fixed. Yeah, now we're walking. Where we're going to? We're going to Welcome. Going to chill there because there's absolutely nowhere for us to sit, and we're getting tired. So see how green Fontaine is. So beautiful, guys. But yeah, everyone is vlogging. Let me show you guys. Everyone is vlogging, guys. Look at that. Look at that.
Fontaine.
Everybody is.
You guys, we're featured on this channel.
Yes, Pearl.
Say hi to the Faithy gang.
Hi.
Hey, baby gang. They are the buffaloes.
Hi, buffaloes.
I've got a new channel with them moving. Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer.
Please like and subscribe. We are the
and
Faithy gang.
Like and subscribe.
Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer. Answer. What's up, we do? Lego sing a salad when you they move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look.
Show you off.
I wanna tell you why.
Yeah.
Cause you cry.
Guys, we're still waiting. And time is ticking. And my stomach is ticking as well.
Let's check again. Let's check again.
That looks so pretty now.
Tita. Oh.
Play most the music so you hear. My mom is watching my reel.
When I say I know, see what you do. See when we go get it, why I like to listen. Got the one you console. Anything you wish me.
Them other girls want me, but not you. I want to know, I want you. She be not this kind thing with tomato, moo. Oh no. Now the little good things you do make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Oh baby, come. Oh girl, I want make me do.
So we have stopped, guys,
What is she doing?
so that we eat. When are they getting? Oh, Abrams. I'm also getting off without my. We made a pit stop so that we eat. Oh, I'm going to get off barefoot.
Tita, wait for a second.
Oh, I come off with the water. Tutu and I are barefoot. Tutu, why are we barefoot?
I don't know.
I feel like making you. Oh no. I feel like making you. Oh baby, I know no good.
Now everybody go to breakfast. Choco bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy.
Onder voorman. Hoe lekker la? Bozala.
I am the chef. And I am Bevel.
By the finances van die blas.
And I am Haley.
Need.
Accountant van die blas.
Oh, I got a new
Farm
rank.
accountant.
Actually, I'm the accountant of the farm.
Okay, we have the foreman here. Foreman. Hi. We have the honor foreman there. We have the accountant.
Yeah.
Hi. And the commoners.
Cleaners.
Wow.
Farm workers. Laborers. Laborers can ook zijn. Laborers. Farm laborers.
The gardener.
And the baby of the house.
The baby of the house, show your face there.
Say hi.
Baby of the house.
Hi.
We are going to Toevlug. So we're done eating now. Beverly is peeing. Let me show you guys. Beverly is busy peeing.
On stage rocking, I'm still crazy. Coco flown in 1980s. Come let.
All of them done they notice. I'm not joking. All my guys them know me. Since 06 I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me know me. Music chose me, just know this and know this. I dey lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love has seen the way we live. I do the world I'm seeing. We are nobody who Jehovah. And I'm the Lord that they go far. Who's the gold that they buy? That's all they need to shit. And then I really put it to bar. Midnight was that she got.
Guys, we are lost. Okay, we look so dusty. Oh my god. Get an eyebrow. I like it. We are lost, guys. We are lost. Don't mind our dusty. But we are lost and now we are turning back.
And we are hearing very weird sounds.
It's a cabanite. Oba anamu. Nesta anamuna.
Vlog.
When I go step by step in my Jordan, I know the vex I'm smoking my God.
Why is it making that sound so much?
You know go find no stress in my loving. When I step by step in my Jordan, I know the vex I'm smoking my God. Two ways of your God.
This is our tent. This is our tent. And I just want to give me your phone. Let me talk to my people. We're here at the farm now.
Yeah.
We just took off like because we came with a truck, right? So we had to take. Mama, we're just talking to my YouTube channel. We'll come out now. So we took off everything from the truck and then we put up our tent because for today we're going to sleep in a tent because we still have to make our little house, right? And we're gonna do all of that in the coming few days. Yo, my hair, sanala. Guys, I'm really sorry for the way I look. The windows are literally, no, it's fine. The windows are literally open like the whole road, and then this is the result. It was really, it was kind of a chaotic trip because we got lost at some point. We literally got lost at some point. But we managed to find our way, and now we're here at our little farm. We're super excited, we're super happy. My mom is making something for us to eat right now.
It was a long drive.
Then it was such a long drive, guys. It was a long drive, and Tutu was literally sitting on my lap the whole road. But yeah, so
Because
yeah.
I'm her small sister.
So we are about to just eat and then
Come sleep.
And then tomorrow the work officially starts, and I'm gonna take you guys through it. Our little first night at the farm.
Oh, my phone is in your. Sorry.
No, did it purposely because you.
Ooh. Hey. It's fire. It's fire. The wind.
Look at the way this fire is getting.
We are creating enough light.
Foreman.
Ja, plaatsvoorman het al rustig geraakt. He is sitting by the fire, waiting for the food to be prepared and served. Very tired, want to eat and sleep. Yes.
Foreman se vrouw, accountant.
Accountant hier ontvangt zij nog change. Hey, you can see, she's the mullah
She's
girl.
really the accountant.
She's the accountant. Yes, we arrived. We are here. We are here, and we thank God.
Honor Foreman. Ulekala.
I just arrived now. With the fire.
Just. Yebo.
Yes, I'll move my
Family.
My workers and
the workers.
Just. This is what it looks like, guys. This is everything that we have to carry. Literally everything that we have to carry. That right there is my mom and her kids. This is the tent that we slept in. Yeah, this is just what it looks like. I can't properly show you guys because my phone is on the charger and I'm in the car. But yeah, this is what the place looks like, and those are the abandoned houses, that one and that one. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Bye bye.
Dusty, musty, rusty. Dusty, musty, rusty. This is. Where's our blood go? Crusty, musty, rusty, rusty. This is our little party park. So this is where we're gonna be cleaning up and setting up our little house. As you guys can see, the area is very, very rocky. There's so many rocks. There are rocks literally everywhere. But yeah, this is it. This is our little plot. This is where we're gonna put up our house in a few. And yeah, this is where we'll be staying for a couple of days until we go back. Here's my dad over there. But yeah. So now we have to model the things and then we start setting up. Say hi.
Hi, hi.
Foreman.
Hi, hi. How are things?
That right there is Bethel working so hard. Say hi, Bethel. Guys, yo, hard labor. What are those? Oh, the cows are coming back to drink water. Oh, guys, yo. Oh, oh, aye. Oh, shitty. Hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
Guys, look at the cattle. Moo. Moo. Sarafina. Sarafina. Sarafina, look at that. Sarafina. Girl, I see you. I see you, Sarah. I see you. Sarafina. Sarafina is say ah. Daima. Madi. Wamide. Wamide balegrami. Ay, hatu dara cousin. Ngat ko na rakon. Wamide ka. Oh, guys, Wamide is running away. Wamide is running. Oh my god. Isa para shot ka ba? What was that like?
What's that like?
Let's sing together. You and me and every way. Let's sing together. Let's sing together. You and me and every way.
Let's stick together.
Yes. Hey.
Now we are together. I feel so fine. You and me forever. Just get you on my mind. Feeling lonely. Don't know what to do. I just can't stand to be away from you. Let's stick together.
Hey,
So guys, I don't know if you guys can see me now.
Yeah, you guys cannot see us at all, ne? Yeah.
I don't know if you guys can see me, but I know you guys can hear me. I haven't properly spoken to you guys today, but that's only because we've really been like busy. As you guys can see, we are trying to build a place for us to like come and stay when we come to the farm. Like I told you guys in the beginning, it's something very new, and this is just like the beginning. This is just the start. We're just getting started. So we do have a water problem as well. Yeah, we do have a water problem as well. Wait, Tutu, I can carry this one. We have a water problem as well. They're making noise. You can see I'm trying to talk, man. Oh, hurry. Oh. So, we have a water problem as well. So, we have people that stay here as well, like neighbors. So, we're going to ask for water from them. It's literally day one at the farm. It's day one at the farm. How did day one go?
What is the one?
Day one of being at the farm. How did it go?
Fine.
Fine, eh? Better than expected, eh? Yeah. So
Nothing went wrong.
yeah, nothing went wrong. Everything has been going pretty well, you know. Yeah, so we just have to finish up with like, oh sorry baby, sorry ne. We just have to finish up with everything we're doing here at the farm, and then we're going to go back. This no electricity, no water situation, eh?
Yeah.
It's so annoying.
So
Especially the electricity one and the water one, guys, equal.
And the charging one.
But I cannot even like use my phone like that because I have to vlog for you guys, and the moment I start
Phones
vlogging,
are just charging slow.
phones are charging slow as well because we're charging in the car. So guys, it's a bit rough. What happened? Something happened.
Hey, I was